Good morning, everybody. I'm back with another video breakdown of my daily Python coding challenges. Today I am on Data in Motion's week 15 coding question. I'll go ahead and leave a link to the website below in case you guys want to check out the challenges for yourself. But let's go ahead and get started. Instruction says to create a function that takes a single string as an argument and returns an ordered list containing the indexes of all capital letters in the string. So as you can see, I already created my skeleton with my solution function called index of caps that takes in some string. I also created my main where I copy and pasted all of my test cases into a text list, and we're going to loop through that list and print out all the test cases on their own line. So let's go ahead and get started with our solution function. So first thing I always want to do is I want to add my return at the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to return capital, and that will be the list we're going to create in the beginning to hold the indexes of the capital letters. So let's start there. Okay, now that we have that here, we have to come to the top and make the actual list variable. So we'll say capital is equal to an empty list. And since we're looping through strings, I am going to go ahead and put my start index at 0, which I'm going to name I. So I'll set I. That's equal to 0. And what that'll do is they'll let us start at the first letter in each string. So I am going to use a while loop, and I'm going to make sure that until we're at the last element, we're going to loop through the string, and we're going to check to see if that letter is capital, and if it's capital, we're then going to append it to our list. So let's go ahead and get started on that while loop. So I'll say while I is not equal to, we're going to say the length of the list, and that'll make sure it stops at the last index instead of going out of bounds there. So we'll say length, and we'll say some string. So while I is not equal to the length itself, we're going to check and see if the letter that it's on is capital. So we'll say if some string and give it the I. They'll keep the index count for us. If some string that I is upper, what I say we're going to do, we're going to add it to the new list, and the list will then hold the index for that capital letter. So we'll say capital dot append, and we're going to append I. So that'll be the number of the index there. And to make sure our while loop doesn't become infinite, we always want to increment I. So we'll say I plus equals 1. And I think that should be it. Let's go ahead and test it and see what we get to see if we need to change anything around. Okay, guys, I got it working. What I did was I had the um incrementation of I in the wrong spot, so I had to just indent it back a little bit, and that solved the issue. But other than that, everything is working correctly. I one thing I want to do is I want to figure out how to do this in the list comprehension to make it look a little bit cleaner. Let me know how you guys would have went about solving this problem, and let me know if you have any tips for me. Thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe. Yeah, so that wasn't the end of my video. I actually was able to figure out the length comprehension solution for this problem. So the only thing I needed was that helper function of index, and that will actually return the index of the capital letter. So in my list, it's actually grabbing the index of the letter in some string if that letter is uppercase. And that is it for the length comprehension solution. Yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye-bye.